So today we'll continue the next topic, or in other words, the same topic revision in notation software. This notation software is called MuseScore. Okay, this is a free software, and recently it got updated to MuseScore 4. Initially, a month or 2 months back, we were using MuseScore 3.6, which was pretty awesome. Now it is really the game changer according to me, the MuseScore 4. So the official website is MuseScore, .org. So you can just Google it and you can find the website. So this is the website. It's a free software. You can download it. You can install it. It's very awesome. They have got their own sounds called Muse Sounds, and which has got all the orchestral instrument and guitars and other all basic instrument and more than it is covered. So very good for a music theory learner, beginner, or any advanced level. Also, you can write all symphonies and whatever you want. It's really good. So yesterday I explained the notes, the initial class about the treble clef, bass clef, and how to remember. So now I just want to revise that in this video. And in today's lesson, so I hope you can see the screen. So this is the treble clef which I explained yesterday. So I can parallelly I'll teach how to use this MuseScore also. So revising yesterday's point, we have 5 lines: first line, second line, third line, fourth line, and fifth line. And by the way, this is the rest which you're seeing here. This is called whole rest, by the way. So in next class I'll teach you the note values, the length changes, whole note, half note, and the rests accordingly. Now in this lesson, the second lesson, I want to revise yesterday's thing. So this is the treble clef, and let me have a bass clef as well. This is the bass clef. Okay, I hope you remember this. The treble clef and bass clef. I'll just add some random notes. Okay, I just randomly, this is a very good thing, in learning music theory. The best part is you should know what you're playing. I mean, you should hear what you're writing on the paper. So the paper never plays you back. But it's a very good practice from initially to write it on paper and try to hear what you're writing. Okay, that's very difficult initially. But learning together the MuseScore, this notation software, and on paper, vice versa, it's a both things also you should master, so that in a way you have to practice both writing on paper, writing notating on notation software. So this both exercise make you perfect in many aspects. Okay, so I have just as you saw, I have just added some random notes. So I want you to name the notes now. Okay, as I said you yesterday, for treble clef, if you remember, every good boy does fine. Okay, this is the thing which we for the treble clef. Okay, every E, first line E, second line G, B, D, F. Okay, accordingly, first line E, second line G, third line B, fourth line B, fifth line F. Every good boy does fine. Okay, so with keeping that in mind, you have to note this, you have to name these 12 notes today. Okay, this kind of revision and exercise kind of. So this is the first line. So what is the first line? It's E. Okay, what is the first space? First space, what is the this thing which I taught you yesterday? It's space. Okay, for the treble clef. This both for the treble clef. Okay, lines we remember using every good boy does fine. The sorry, it's my alarm. For the line notes, you remember using every good boy does fine. Space for the space. Okay, here is the first space. Okay, what is first space? It's F. Okay, likewise you have to just pause the video and try to do all this so that I'll come back and I'll give you all the answers. So pause the video and try. Okay, have a sheet of paper which I told you yesterday. Just write the notes, or you just try to name the notes. Okay, in order. Okay. Okay, now I hope you have tried something. I'll just give you the answers. What is this? This is the second space. What is the second space? Yeah, I heard you right. It's A. Okay, this is the second line. What is the second line? G. What is this? G again. What is this? It's B. What is this? Yes, C. What is this? Yes. What is this again? What is this? C. What is the third line? It's B. What is this? I have put lots of G. What is this? Okay, we'll do some more. Okay, I'll teach you how to use the software. Okay, we'll do some more notes. What is the third line? Yeah. What is it? It's B. Sorry. What is the fourth space? What is the fourth space? F-A-C-E. So, okay. Randomly I'm going, you know, you can in Google you can download any sheet music. See, one thing you can wait, I wanted to show you some sheet music. Free sheet music. See, you get a lot of websites, you know. Likewise, you can download and just start naming the notes initially. Okay, you can do that. You'll get a lot of treble clef notes. PDF. See, like this you'll get a lot of you know, in Google, if you search a lot of see, I just randomly searched. I didn't prepare and I'm telling you. See, there are a lot of exercise. See, what is this? The second space. So it's A. This is A. What is this first line? It's E. It's a fourth space. E again. What is this? Third line. That's B. Every good boy. That should go fast in your mind, and by the time you practice it every day, by your month or so, without this shortcut, you'll get to know. So let's finish this. What is this? G. What is this? F. What is this? D. What's this? Fifth line. Every good boy does fine. F. Third line. B. So here comes the D. I have not taught you this, no? So I'll come to this point now. See, the lines and spaces, initially we learned 5 lines and 4 spaces. Now we have to also learn ledger lines. What is ledger lines means? Sometimes we write notes above the lines and below the lines, you know. Sometimes it's not enough to it's music kind of goes, you know, music goes up, music goes down, music kind of goes. So these lines are not enough to you know, notate them. So we use ledger lines. So the first ledger line below the first, this is the first line, no? So below note is called D. So below that first line is called D, and the first ledger line, this one, is called C. This also called as middle C. Okay, people who so this is the middle C. What is this? I just taught you. What is it? That's D. Okay, so because the first line is E, no, so below it is D. It's kind of, as I told you yesterday, it's kind of C, A, B, C, D going. So what comes below this now? You have to guess. This is the middle C, middle C, middle C, middle C. Okay, what comes below it? Any guesses? What comes before C in alphabet? Yeah. Come on, guess. Correct. That's B. You're right. It's B. Okay, it's the middle C. It's very important for piano players. You already know this. So below that it is B. Now below that, this middle C, the line, the note below it is B. Now guess this note. Yes, you're right. That's A. Okay, as of now we'll not go further more than 2 ledger lines. It's enough for the basic lessons, but we'll consider doing above lines also. So as we discuss, what is this? Okay, we have 4 notes now here. This we know, this is the 4th space. That's the E. This is the F. So what should come next after 5th line? Yes, you're right. That's G. That's G. Then above it, you have 2 more notes. Okay. What comes after G? The first line, first ledger line above. That's A. Okay. Now above it, what comes next? Yes, you're right. It's B. Now C again. Okay. This is the way I have to remember the notes. Okay. E, F, G, A, B, C. It's kind of hard initially because you're seeing it for the first time. But lines and spaces first master. Okay. Every good boy does fine for lines and for space, FACE. Now the same thing applies to the bass clef. Now see, we have a bass clef here. See, the clef is, see how nicely, it's very nice, you know, for if we come to a level, you can start using the notation software, and you can, you know, export it as a PDF, and you can take to your concert or take to your any school programs or whatever, wherever you have to play your instrument or sing or whatever, you can use this as a guide notation. Okay, start doing this from today. Download this. I'll just put the download link, the website link. Just go download this software, install. Okay, it's free, so everybody can get it for Windows and Mac. Okay, just download the proper version and start doing this. Okay, now coming to the bass notes, I'll just put some random notes for you. Okay, here the 4/4. I've got about 16 notes, so we'll start naming it. So remember, this is the bass clef. For bass clef, it's not the treble clef now. So what we have to do, good boy does fine always. This is the thing which you have to remember for bass clef. Per line, first line is G, second line is B, third line is D, fourth line is F. That's why it's called the F clef. Fifth line is A. Okay, likewise, cows eat grass. This is for space. Okay, first space is A. It's in bass clef, remember. First space is A, second space is C, third space is E, fourth space is G. Okay, I hope you have done the homeworks in the not yesterday, because it's a timeless tutorial. Anybody can watch it, anybody, anytime. You know, you might have immediately watching it. So in the last lesson, I have told you to write it and practice. So you must have done this, okay? Or please do it. Treble clef, every good boy does fine. Phase for space. In bass clef, good boy does fine always for lines, and all cows eat grass for spaces. So using this, now we can sorry. So here is the bass notes. We'll start naming it. Okay, just pause the video and try to write these notes. I'll teach you how to write note heads. You know, it's a oval shape. You have to start using writing with pencil, have a ruler, have a rubber. You know, just write a oval shape. This thing I'll just do it in next class, how to write notes, how to write note heads, oval shape. Okay, now if not notes, just try to name it. Okay, just try to name it on the line itself. Just, what is this first line? This is G, so just write G here, or if possible you write this and write G here. Anything is fine. My first concern is to master the notes. By the end of this video, you should be able to identify notes correctly. Okay, let's do this now. What is this? G. What's this second line in bass clef? B. Third line, D. Fourth line in bass clef, F. That's why it's called F clef. And the treble clef is also called as G clef, because it starts on the second line G. See, second line G. See, it has, it's the way, it's the treble clef. G. In bass clef, it's also called F clef. Yeah, come on. Remaining notes. I hope you have written already. What is this? Third space. E. This one. C. What's this? D. What's this first space in bass clef? A. G. What's this third space? E. Correct. What's this? F. What's this? Second line. B. What's this? First space. A again. C. Okay, this is the way you have to practice. We can do more exercises in future class. So I think I'll end here. Next class I'll do writing on paper, and we got a website now we had open. We have only treble clef, I guess. Okay, what is this? Middle C. E. C again. A. Your mind should go 1, 2, 3, 5. By seeing only you should be able to pick up. What is this? It's the fifth line. That's F. D, because there's a treble clef. A. B. Same thing, if the clef changes, it changes. Okay, we'll see this treble clef again, this line, or we'll come from the beginning and finish this 4 lines. Okay, from here, yeah. A. E. E again. B. G, above the line, treble clef. G again. F. D. F. B. D. C. G. D. F. C. Okay, pause the video and try this. Yeah, now I'll give you the answers. B. A. What is this? C. D. D. F. B. F. Last one. Let's try this. C. E. C. A. F. D. A. B. I just see if I get a bass clef here. I'm seeing this website for the first time. Okay, bass clef is there. Oh, I think I got. The lines are not. Okay, I'll create. Hope you understood. We'll do 3 more bars. Bass clef. I just tried. Okay, in bass clef, this is the middle C. Okay, this is the middle C. Okay, this one. Name this B. What's this? First space. A. What's this? Third line in bass clef. D. above the line in bass clef. That's B, and the middle C. What is this? G. Finally, this one below the first line. Okay, likewise I have randomly showed how to name the notes. Okay, hope you have this makes you clear. If you need more exercise, you tell me in the comment section. I'll just try to do more. See, it's very important initially to master the notes. You know, the notes, you have to get it right. So in future we build on this. Okay, we build on this. So it's very important to in the notes. So just remember this. For treble clef, every good boy does fun. Face for the spaces. Bass clef, good boy does fine always. All goes equal. Okay, write this 5-10 times and practice this. Hope I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much. Okay, fine then. Hope you have understood all the treble clef notes, bass clef notes, and I suggest you to download some free PDF sheet manuscripts, sheet music, and just try to write it. Just try to name the notes on the paper so that you will get it better. Thank you so much. Signing off, Atishay Jain. Anything you can tell me on comments, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye.